Our vision is really to see a diversity of people in STEM fields, and women are a huge missing piece of that. She Engineers is our initiative to really increase the participation in STEM amongst girls and female identifying youth. We've found that you need that hands-on education, you need to have female mentors, female peers in the room. Those are the elements that have to come together in order for a girl to really see themselves as an engineer or a scientist and really build the passion and the idea of themselves in one of those roles. She Engineers was launched in 2015. We started with a few camp sections that were just for girls and a large annual event called She Engineers, where we work with community partners that come in. In these events, with our participants, with the families that have come, and with the community partners that have become involved, we've really just seen all of that energy make this initiative one of our fastest growing and our most vital. When I was in school in mechanical engineering, I was one of 6 women in my program out of our class of around 65 people. We very naturally became our own community, and it makes sense. You need to see yourself amongst a community that you can relate to.
I was a kid who always wanted to go to the STEM camps, the engineering camps. I was always extra excited as a kid when it was a camp for girls. It just validated for me, like, hey, no, you do actually belong here. Everyone deserves to have a sense of belonging in whatever field they go into, even if it's a field where you're the first in your family to do it, or you're the first female in the group to do it. You deserve to know that you belong there and have a group of people around you that support you.
And so what we're doing with this initiative is, instead of waiting for it to happen, we are setting it up and being intentional about creating a community where girls can see themselves as doers and problem solvers and makers. This year we held our 9th annual She Engineers family event and worked with a lot of new community partners. We also expanded our 4 girls sections of our camps involving coding and robotics, animation and movie making. We're really just seeing all of this energy from our community towards these programs, and we're really proud of the work that we've done. Thank you to all of the partners and families and participants that have been involved with She Engineers over the last decade. We're so excited to see what the next 10 years can bring.